guys. So I am going to be working with you guys on Classroom for geometry. I'll be assigning your work. Looks like Mondays and Wednesdays. If anything changes, I'll let you guys know. So first of all, I'm actually going to put this into two different videos, just so that is a little bit clearer. So every day, for the most part, you're going to be assigned something from a website called IXL. It's like a math skills practice. So in order for you to get in, what you're going to do is you're going to click back into your geometry classroom. Okay, I did an announcement for each of you. It's private. The intro is the same, and then there's a username and password. And at the bottom of the screen, under password, all of yours are different. Okay, so you're going to click in onto the link under today's assignment. Sorry, this is my fake classroom. It's going to look a little bit different. Click this guy. Alright. And see how it has my name and my password? It's not going to have your name or password. You are going to be able to sign in with your name, otherwise you're not going to be able to, it's not going to work. So you're going to put your username here and your password here. Don't forget, it's not stemcivics.org like your email, it's just STEMcivics. Okay? And you're going to click sign in. Okay? It's probably helpful if you click remember, if you're using your phone or your PC a lot. Okay? Your assignment is going to pop up. There's probably a whole list of them because I already started marking what I want you to do for the rest of the year. But you have to make sure that you are signed in and not like on the free trial, because otherwise it's not going to record grade-wise. Okay? So you're going to have an IXL assignment pretty much every Monday and Wednesday for the rest of the year so that we can review some of the topics. They're pretty easy, but I'm going to introduce every topic before you get started on the IXL. So the IXL will be a practice, whereas the video will be teaching. Okay? I think that's it. And I'm going to go ahead and set up your next video. Alright, see you guys later.